In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a free Base44 account using Chrome and start your very own app project from scratch or by utilizing one of the many templates available. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open up Chrome on your computer. Once you're there, head over to the Base44 website where the magic begins. You'll want to locate the Sign Up button, usually at the top right corner. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter some basic information to create your account. Fill out the required fields, ensuring you have a valid email address and a strong password ready. After submitting your information, you might need to verify your email, so be sure to check your inbox for an email from Base44. Follow the instructions in that email and voila, your account is all set up. Now that you're logged into your new Base44 account, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. It's a clean, user-friendly space designed to help you navigate the app creation process with ease. To start a new app project, look for the Create New Project button, which should be prominently displayed. Click on it, and you'll be presented with two primary options. You can start from scratch or choose a free template. If you're new to app development, picking a template could be a great way to ease into the process as they're pre-designed with a variety of useful features. But if you're feeling adventurous, starting from scratch can also be a fantastic way to unleash your creativity. Whichever path you choose, the design phase is where the fun really begins. Base44 offers an intuitive drag-and-drop interface, making it accessible for everyone regardless of technical expertise. You'll see a palette of components on your screen that you can simply drag into your workspace. Customize the layout by arranging elements in a way that feels right for your app. Need a button here or a form there? It's all easy to adjust with just a few clicks and movements. One of the remarkable features of Base44 is that you can add functionalities like forms, buttons, and navigation tools without diving into any complex coding. Focus on enhancing your app's usability by integrating these features seamlessly. Once you feel satisfied with how your app looks and operates, it's time to see it in action. Base44 allows you to preview your app at any stage of the design. This gives you the chance to test out the functionality, checking to make sure everything works exactly as you imagined. This step is crucial as it provides insights into the user experience, allowing you to make any necessary tweaks. Finally, when your app is polished and ready, publishing is straightforward. Under the free plan, you have options to publish your app directly through Base44's publishing interface. This makes your app accessible and usable for others to see and interact with. Hopefully, this guide helps you feel empowered to create and share your own app with the world effortlessly.